What's up? Good morning. It's Monday. This is Jordan Martin Stock Club, Martin Investment Group. Let's look at three stocks for today, Monday, January 9th. Let's kick it off with Target. Target, big move up. Nothing but green, 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 green. You know, we're going to start looking for this red to come along at some point, right? So, pretty wild move up on Target. Some news happened here, caused the gap up, but now we're looking for a potential move down to fill that gap. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my alert. The low of Target for Friday was 156.88. I'm gonna set an alert for 156.75. I'm gonna wait for about a 5-minute candle close below there, or a 15-minute. 5's a little aggressive, 15 is a little more conservative, and that would also be testing this high over here. So we'll be breaking back into this candle. And then once we do that, we can look to go ahead and come down, fill gap, which is at 154.26. All right, so that'll be a move from 156.60 or so to 154.26. Slide over to SPY. And this is a chart I was looking at with the group on Friday. So what I'm looking at with SPY is the same thing, right? We had to break out. We had to break out of this area over here, where we see that we were kind of tied up in this range, right? Trading in between here from December 16th to Friday, which is January 6th, right? So a little over about 2 weeks trading within the 374, 387 range. And then we broke out. So here's the thing that I was looking at, and I think we can continue. Now that we've broken out, I mean, it's fair to look at continuation and then possibly filling the gap here. But what I was looking at was, we have our move down, we have our move up, we have our move down, move up, move up, right? Move down, move up. So we have just this move down, move up, move down, move up, right? I'm not gonna put an arrow every single spot, right? So now I'm looking for the move back down before the continuation. And that might not come. It might not be a move back down before continuation. If we do gap up today, right now it's 8:47 Eastern Standard Time. So we still have about another hour, about 40, 50 minutes before the market opens. So if we do gap up, then maybe we go ahead, pull back, close that initial gap, and that can be our first pullback. And then we can continue up and start moving up towards these different levels and taking out the gap that's up at 398. So that would probably be a swing, right? We're probably not going to go 10 points today. It's possible. But looking for that move up, pull back, especially after we've had so many up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then we can go, right? And we have started making our higher lows, right? And we've made higher highs as well, right? So looking at that, looking for a move back, and seeing if we can get a pullback that doesn't, of course, break this level. Willing to let it pull back as much as it wants before going ahead, taking the entry and letting it rip. Ford, huge move, huge run, broke demand here, came back into it, took out this high, pulled back and just took off. All right, so Ford has a gap to fill around here as well, about $13. Looking at the same thing as SPY, really wanting to see a pullback first, but we might not get it, right? So if we don't get it, then I can just go ahead and wait for an intraday pullback for the day trade rather than a bigger pullback on the daily for the swing trade. But I would really be wanting to trade the swing trade. I'm going to pull it back down maybe towards $12, right? Maybe towards 11.85. We can get a move that looks like this. We'll pull back here. And then we go ahead, go back up to fill gap. All right. So that's what I'm looking at. But of course, I'm going to be trading intraday. As always, you're gonna catch live call outs, live trading, live classes in the Discord. Links in the bio, links in the description. This is YouTube, not Instagram. Y'all have a great day. Make some money, make each other happy. I'm out.